Hello there. Welcome to uDemand. Let's talk about uDemand before we get started with the video. uDemand is a real-time, integrated software training platform that helps users acquire marketable skills in order to succeed in today's global economy. In today's session, let us learn about job-based security groups. Members of work-based security groups can be distinguished according to factors including job profile, job family, management level, and exempt, non-exempt status. Workers that meet the membership criteria are added to the group mechanically. Among the qualifications that matter for this position are work schedule, scheduling categories of exempt employees, employment benefits for the entire family, occupational classifications that do not qualify for exemption, upper-level administration. Both limited and unlimited options exist for defining job-based security groups. Based on the group to which they now belong, users will be granted access to certain instance targets. The job-based security groups include 3 groups. They are as follows. 1. Membership security groups. Location-based and organizational membership are the 2 primary categories for defining security groups. Similar to job-based security groups, they have predetermined membership based on set parameters. Aggregation and intersection are 2 frequent uses of membership security groups. 2. Location membership security groups. 1 or more physical locations may be included in a given membership security group. Employees working from any of the designated sites are automatically included in the security group and have access to all of the policies that come with that membership. Workday does not restrict the members of location-based groups by trying to locate them near the secured object. Automatically assigning a worker to a location-based security group. That's the case, for instance, with employees in an office in Amsterdam, employees in the United States, the staff of the San Francisco facility. 3. Organization membership security groups. Members of a security group might be from any number and variety of organizations, for example, company, cost center, location hierarchy, pay group. Employees from subsidiary companies are an alternative. Any employee of a company involved in this security group may use the security policies that apply to the entire group. Organization assignments determine whether or not an employee is added to a security group for that organization. Security groups inside an organization might be either limited in their membership or open to anybody who needs access. Many additional types of security groups depend on unrestricted organization membership security groups, including intersection and aggregation. Committee members can be identified and their target organization's access to the committee can be limited by using security groups with restricted organization membership. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel uDemand so that you may be alerted of future videos.